The header and footer show on every page of your website. The header is the bar at the top with your logo and menu, and the footer is the section at the bottom. These aren't edited in Elementor. If you're still in this view, you can simply click back here, and once again. Then you can access your header and footer. If you've closed this tab already, simply view any page and use the Customize button to return once again. I'll select my home page so we can view that header, and then I'll click Header. This will open up the header settings where you can change everything that shows up in the bar at the top of your site. You can see the elements in this list here, and you can also see how they're laid out down below. For example, if I drag site title and logo to the center, you'll see that change reflected here. Obviously, we don't want to keep that change, but you can remove certain elements by just clicking the X here to remove them. For instance, I'm not sure if I want to display this phone number in my header. I can click the X here to remove it completely, or on the left-hand side, if I enter the button settings, I can also toggle the visibility. I could turn it off for desktop and tablet and mobile. And now if I ever want to re-enable it in the future, I can toggle these back on. Then I'll click the back button here. I like my menu, and the main thing we want to change is the site title and logo. Click here to enter the settings. Depending on your template, you might see a warning here. Mine says the logo is set in the transparent header section. Click below to customize it. You can see that this logo uses a black outline, and the one we have in our header is clearly white. So for this template, we will need to customize the transparent header. You can click this link to go directly there, or if you go back, that lives down here under the header section we just entered. So if you ever get lost, the transparent header still lives under all the header settings. Now this looks a lot more like what we need to change. To swap in your logo, click Change Image, then upload your file, select it, and I have a placeholder E logo for my brand name Explore. Choose the image, and you'll see that update in the header. When you're happy with all of your header changes, click Publish. Your footer works the exact same way as the header. Click back, and back again, and you'll find the footer in the Customize menu. You can rearrange them in the grid down below, and you can update the individual items here. For instance, I want the copyright to say something different, and I'll add my brand name here. I don't necessarily want to repeat my menu, so I can remove this element and drag this logo to the left. We'll need to change this as well, so return to the prior menu, and then click this HTML1. Here we'll need to add media, and for this particular template, we'll need the darker version of my logo. Click here to upload files, then select a file. I'll use my alternative logo, open it, and insert it into the post. From there, I can clean up what was in here before, and you may need to resize what you've entered. Your changes will update live in the footer, and that will help you appropriately size everything. Finally, this looks better left aligned in my opinion, so I'll make that change, and when everything looks the way you want, click Publish to see your changes. In addition to the header and footer, one last thing I want to show you in the customization menu is the site identity. Here you can select the site icon, and that will be the icon that's shown as the favicon on your browser. Click Upload Files if you have a specific file for this. In my case, I'll use the white version of my logo. Then I'll click Select. In the top right, you'll see a preview, and depending on your file, you may want to crop in slightly. When you're ready, click Crop Image. You should see that icon reflected immediately, and when you're satisfied, click Publish. If you haven't signed up for hosting yet, remember to use the first link in the description to get an extra 10% off your hosting with Hostinger. Good luck with your new site, and thanks for watching.